Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I will share with you how I curl my hair. Plus I'll also give you tips on how to keep your curls stay longer. Okay guys, so the first tip that I will share with you is to not use conditioner if you know you're gonna curl your hair, because obviously conditioner will help will keep your hair straighter, so you don't want to use that. Second tip, if you want to keep your curls longer, you might want to use some curling moves. So the one that I'm using at the moment is the John Frieda Freeze Ease Dream Curls. So this is also good, but obviously kahit ano namang curling moves would be alright. And then before you curl your hair, I suggest you also do your parting already, kasi malaking factor din yun kung saan ba dapat yung way ng curls. So me, I prefer my part in the middle para Kim Kardashian yung dating chart. So yeah, so gusto ko na sa gitna. So if you want it to be on the side, left or right, so i-part nyo na siya before you curl your hair para alam nyo kung saan yung magiging direction ng pag-curl. So guys, it's important that you know what curls you want. Do you want tight curls? Do you want loose curls? Because obviously it will help you choose what curler you want kasi it comes in different sizes. Okay guys, so what I have here is the Babyliss ProCurl. This is 1 inch if I'm not mistaken. So if you want tighter curls, you want to use smaller barrel curlers. So yung mga ganyan. Okay? Or guys, if you want to really have the very loose curls, like parang talagang very, very natural. So this is a bigger barrel, as you can see. So if you really like really, really loose curls, I suggest you use this. But obviously, kung hindi nyo isiset ng maayos, madaling mawawala yung curls using big barrel like this. Okay, so for today's tutorial, I will use this Babyliss ProCurl, the 1 inch one. Okay guys, so there's really so many different ways in curling our hair. So but what I'm showing to you in today's video is just like yung madaling pag-curl ng hair na kaya-kaya nyo lang talaga gawin kung attend kayo ng mga events and gusto yung magpulot-pulutan, so you can use this. But there's also, you know, yung technical way of curling your hair, which you sometimes use some Velcro rollers. Medyo mas tedious kasi yung way na yun. But ngayon, yung sa madali lang tayo. Okay guys, as you remember, super epic fail no aking water bottle hack. So, nire-redeem ko lang nito yung sarili ko. Okay, so I'm using my Babyliss ProCurl, as you can see, like that. So, let's turn it on. Yan. And then, since for my hair, yung hair ko kasi is very, very fragile siya. Napakalam ko hair ko. So, hindi ko sinasagad yung curler ko sa pinakamainit. So we have here yung level ng hotness. So I just go to the 195 degrees. Yung pinakamainit is 210 degrees. So doon ako sa 195 degrees. And then with your hand, pwede nyo na siyang section. So me like this. Okay na siguro. So mainit yung curler ko. Actually, 30 seconds lang mag-keep na siya. So you face your curler like this. So, unasin yung clip away from you. And then, clip your hair, sliding down until before the tip of your hair. It's okay kung may nahulog. And then, you just have to twist it toward, no, actually outside your face. So, yeah. Outside your face. And then, loose up a bit para makuha niyo yung dulo. Probably 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then, turn yung konting ganyan. And that's the time you should release. So, ngayon, itong mga nahulog, dahil ito yung harap, ayoko na masyadong kulot to. So, ginagawa ko, ginaganyan ko lang siya. Parang nadaanan lang. And that's it. Para hindi siya masyadong panggib. So, you just have to, hatiin natin. Yan. And then, continue lang. Super fast curling technique ko lang itong sinishare ko sa inyo. Yan. So, yung madalian. Just curl it. this again. Go back. Okay, so ganyan siya guys. And then what I do, I will use my L'Oreal Elnet spray. And then I'll do it on the other side. So, away from your face ulit. Iba actually nahihirapan silang magkulot ng sarili nila, pero it will just really take practice. Ako nanonood lang din ito sa mga YouTube eh. Focus lang siya doon. Okay, I'm done on the other side. So, lagay lang din ako ng hairspray. And then, what I usually do, pagkatapos na akong magkulot, or once I'm all done, I flip my hair like this. And then, I twist them out with my hands. Sure. So yan. So it's like that. Back. And then, ayoko naman siya parang debut na curls. So what I do with my loose tooth comb, so I comb this out like that. Other side as well. And that's how it looks like. Just comb it out like that. And that's it! Diba? Napakadali lang. Madali lang ba? So, actually guys, that's it. Diba? That's it. And then obviously we still add more of our spray. So once I have already like set it, ito na yung gusto ko mag-finish. I don't touch it anymore. I don't like comb it with my hair anymore. Nothing. So that will also keep your hair, your curl longer. So yeah. And I think that's it for this video. I'm not really sure kung natutunan kayo dun, but I just really want to show you guys how I curl my hair and obviously gave you some tips kung paano ko siya hopefully would stay longer. But these curls, they really stay longer on me. Yun nga, given na hindi ako nagko-conditioner, that really helps. And yeah, what can you say? Okay ba? If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up and see you on my next